Good friends. It was winter. It was cold. The forest, the field, and the lake were white with snow. A rabbit had nothing to eat, so he went to the field to get something to eat. There he saw 4 carrots. He was very happy. He took the carrots and brought them home. He ate only 2 carrots because he wanted to give the other 2 to the goat. The rabbit took 2 carrots and went to the goat's house. The goat was not at home. The rabbit put the carrots on the table and went away. When the goat came home, he saw the carrots on the table. He thought, "Oh, what a good friend I have. I must be a good friend too. It's winter now. The rabbit has nothing to eat. I must help him." So he ate only 1 carrot, took the other, and went to the rabbit's house. The rabbit wasn't at home. The goat put the carrot on the table and wrote a short letter. "Dear Rabbit, this carrot is for you, yours goat." When the rabbit came back home, he saw the carrot and the letter on the table. He read the letter, ate the carrot, and thought, "Oh, what a good friend I have."